Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Quick update. Got my seats yesterday. Here they are. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. They're suede. Supposed to be suede, but they're pretty comfortable. A little bit hard, but I mean, I'm gonna be using them for drag racing, so who cares, right? And also got my Zentek HIDs. Pretty much what I've always used. So threw away my old set and decided to order some new ones because it was just time to get some new ones. And also got my oil PSI gauge. That number is like 2 years old, literally. I got my gauge for my oil PSI, so I'm gonna install that today. Also, my tuner, he just emailed me the file to start up the car. So as soon as I get this all buttoned up, all this mess in here buttoned up and taken care of, I will be doing a test fire. So you guys won't want to miss that at all. Also got rid of my emblems. They were right there. Somewhere over here. It always had the wrong GT badges. It had the 05 to 2010 badge, which some people hated it. I personally didn't care. I didn't love it, but it didn't bug me. Now I just want to get rid of the striping, make it all clean and smooth. But that's probably gonna be sometime next year. I'm gonna repaint the whole car. But yeah, I went badgeless, got rid of that GT badge that didn't even match the car. This one was right here too, somewhere around here. So, in my opinion, it looks a little bit cleaner. You know, it doesn't have anything, the wrong badging, so it does look a little bit cleaner. But other than that, I mean, we're fixing it, do a test fire. As soon as I find the cable to load the tuner onto my tuner, to my handheld tuner, which is the Diablo Sports Intune handheld.
That's how it goes, bro. I turn on. That's if you want to mess with it. I mean, if you don't want to mess with it.
Alright, what's up, YouTube?
What up,
We're back. Here's my nigga Tilly, my brother, and my boy Eric. We're going to be taking a little cruise down to Luther, Oklahoma. We're going to be visiting this barbecue place. According to my brother-in-law, that place is delicious. Delicious. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little cruise time over to Luther on the east side of Oklahoma. So stay tuned. ready? What y'all think of this trip? Kind of tiring, huh? Why do you drive so far up, nigga? Your legs are long as hell, and you, nigga.
Sorry.
We're going to Los Arcos.
We gotta go back over there.
Yeah.
My leg was falling asleep.
Put it on cruise control, nigga.
I don't know how.
What do you mean you don't know how? Here, let me go over there and explain. Look,
Alright. You accelerate and then
whenever you're driving, just click on, and then you whatever speed you're in, just click set. All right, just click set for plus or minus.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
On to turn it on, and then set to leave it in that speed.
I don't trust it.
Let me film you from here so you can
Nah.
see what we're looking at. Yeah, go
Nah.
go bend over again. Here,
No,
let me see.
no. Déjame.
Finally awake.
I was asleep, bro. All right, guys. The moment we have all been waiting for. My first test drive. After this long ass journey of putting it all back together, my first test drive. So here we go. We're about to test drive it. I still haven't ordered my harnesses, so I'm gonna have to drive without seatbelt. But I'm only gonna go to my parents' house and back, which is like 4 minutes of drive time. I just want to test how it does, you know, see how well it drives. The tune right now is kind of shitty, but I should be able to take it to the dyno shop here shortly, probably in the next day or two, Monday. So I hope you guys enjoy this ride.